Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. Today is a Cool Tool Tuesday. The other day I was watching Eric O's channel, the South Main Auto channel, and if you're not watching it, you really need to because I learned a lot from that guy. He's a brilliant mechanic, and I'm really happy that he's willing to share his vast knowledge base, and he also makes it entertaining. So if you're not watching the South Main Auto channel, you really need to. But I've been following him for a long time, and he has some really cool tools that I'd never come across before, and several of them I've purchased, this being one of them. Okay, he was using these to actually beat on a socket. You take this part and put it in there, and I am, and I'm sure everybody's guilty of just taking a socket and beating on it with a hammer. I've got a bunch of them that are all boogered up here because I was beating on it with a hammer. Well, this is really cool because you can put that on there and beat on it all you want. Okay? Well, and also you can take, I'm trying to do this with the camera, put an extension on it, and if you can't reach it, then also has this gadget. Oh, so try and do it through the camera. I'm sorry. There we go. If you need some sort of, I just use a short extension for demonstration purpose. You can put the longest extension you want on there. If you need the, whatever you need to pound on, whatever configuration you need it in, again, trying to do it to the camera. And I thought that was really cool. And during the video, he mentioned it was a SP Tools thing. And during the video, I actually looked it up. The part number is a 15900 or 15900, however you want to look at it. SP Tools. And while I was watching the video, actually I paused the video and I found it online. And Amazon carried it, but it was out of stock. And then so I went right to the SP Tools website and ordered it from there. And then the next day, I think I just happened to notice it, look at it again, and everybody's talking about how that they were all sold out. They couldn't get them because they were all sold out. So Eric O has a lot of influence, and I tell you, if he said that, he used magic unicorn farts, people would be looking for magic unicorn farts online wanting to buy it. And I probably would too, to be honest. But I saw this and I thought it was really cool. It just, because I know I've beat on extensions and sockets and stuff like that. And this will save my, not only save my tools from getting, there we go, beat up, but I tell you, just a really helpful little tool there. And I can't remember how much they were. They weren't really expensive. If I can find a link where they actually have them, actually I'll put the SP Tools link in where I bought it from. And I am an Amazon associate, so I get a little vig if anybody buys anything from it, from the link that I provide, if they have it in stock. And of course the part it won't cost any more if you use my link. I just get a couple shekels, and I would greatly appreciate it. But more importantly, I just think this is a really amazing little tool, and it will just come in handy for so many different things, and I wanted to share it with you. So that's my Cool Tool Tuesday. Cool Tool Tuesday. Try and say that 3 times real quick. Just kind of, I said, I came across it on the South Main Auto channel, and and I'm not affiliated with him, whatsoever. He doesn't even know I exist, but I just saw that and I thought it was a really cool tool and wanted to share it. Again, I'll provide the links. Hopefully they'll be in stock, but just wanted to share that little tool tip. And I will, if you of course like and subscribe, the deal. And I will see you in the next video.